In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a file name in Replit. Whether you are organizing your project or just need to make things more intuitive, updating file names is a common task in any coding environment. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this in Replit quickly and easily. First off, you'll want to begin at the Replit home page. This is your central hub for all things related to your Replit projects. Just head over to replit.com and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in and on the home page, you'll notice a navigation menu on the left-hand side. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Replit, as it's a handy way to access different features. Next, click on Apps from the left-hand menu. This section is where you can manage various applications associated with your Replit account. However, in the context of changing file names, we are primarily interested in accessing our projects. Now navigate over to the Replit section to choose the specific project for which you'd like to change the file name. The Replit section, evident after selecting Apps, will display all your projects. Find the one you're looking to edit. It's helpful to name your projects clearly from the start, but if you have many projects, you can use the search feature to save some time. With your chosen project open, look toward the top right of the project pane where you'll see a three-dot menu icon. Clicking this icon gives you access to additional options related to your project. It's essentially a secondary menu that houses various project settings. After clicking on the three dots, select Edit. This option will allow you to modify various details of your project, including the file name itself. Keep in mind that when you click Edit, you're not only influencing how the project is displayed internally, but potentially how others view it if you share or make it public. Once in the edit mode, you can simply click into the field displaying the file name. You'll be able to type directly over the existing name to change it. It's that easy. Make sure that the new name represents the content or function of the file clearly for better organization and retrieval later on. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the file name in your Replit project. Remember that organizing files logically helps improve not only your workflow, but also aids any collaborators in understanding the project structure better. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with more helpful tutorials.